Hey, is that Phelan? Phelan, pass me the keys, please.
Oh, those are my keys.
Oh, those are Nula's keys.
Yeah. Dog and kitty.
Dog and kitty? Mail for dog and kitty.
Bird. Dad?
Nula. What?
We have to have this guy in the food.
In the food?
What's the food?
What guy? Let's see.
This guy
I want to see.
food.
Oh, okay.
Oh. The mailman's supposed to be at a house.
Mailman's at the house? What house? Show me the house.
This house.
Oh, okay. Is that this one over here? Nula, is that the one there? Is that the house?
Yes.
Yeah?
That's supposed to be at the parade.
Okay.
Dylan. He's spoiling my parade.
Spoiling the parade? Oh no, we'll have to do something. Phelan.
This is my house. Oh.
Hey, oh. Phelan's getting frustrated. He doesn't know what to do anymore. What should we do, Nula?
Dylan, play with the doll.
Maybe not. There's ribbons on it. That might choke. That might be a choky thing. How about what? How about Phelan play with this car?
No, I'm playing with this.
Why doesn't Phelan and I sit back and watch? We'll watch you play? Is that what we should do? We should watch you play?
Yes.
How can we play with you?
Play with the house.
We're gonna play with the house, okay. You can play in the house?
You can be the people guy and I can be the mail.
Okay.
I can.
Super mail.
Oh, there's a baby room. Okay. Phelan.
What is it, Nula? What do you have?
Phelan.
Ooh. Is that a smelly sticker? Is that why you keep them in the refrigerator, Nula?
This is an ice cube.
Ice cube.
Yeah. I'm gonna be Superman today. I
Okay.
decided to be Superman today.
Okay. Wearing red pants?
Yeah. I'm wearing my red pants. I like pajamas on. Maybe.
We'll watch Phelan very closely. Oh, who's this doll? What's the doll's name, Nula?
Kylie.
That's Kylie, okay.
She doesn't like babies.
She doesn't like babies very much, okay.
No. Okay.
Oh, nice. Nice. Presto changeo. Beautiful.
I'm going to do yoga today.
You're going to do yoga? Is that why you have to take your shirt off?
Yeah.
Mm.
I can find you. I'm going to get dressed.
See what time is it? Oh, what's that? Is that your scarf?
Oh, it's my coat.
A cape?
No, it's my scarf.
It's a scarf.
Stealing the color.
How do the toes taste, Phelan? Nula, can you take that off your neck?
Why?
I don't like it. It doesn't feel safe to me. You might choke. That wouldn't be very good.
Can they do this?
Are you covering your eyes?
Well, I'm not.
I don't know. You're not.